Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got a cup of coffee here, and today just want to talk about kind of my long-term review on using this standing desk. And I know a lot of you guys really like these videos, so I figured why not grab a cup of coffee, talk about some of the pros and cons, and yeah, I don't know, we'll kind of jump right into some of the things that I like, maybe some things I dislike but really aren't a big deal to me, and why I still love this desk, and I think you should check it out. So let's jump right in. So the first reason that I really like this desk is this controlling interface right here. I haven't had a single issue with it. All the buttons work great. It's a high quality looking interface. I've got different memory set points. So I can click like 1, which is my sitting, 2, which is my standing, and then I set 3 to like even a slightly higher standing point that's like not as ergonomic but better for looking at my screen. And then using the memory button is super easy. So this is an awesome little control module. I think some of the cheaper desks don't have as nice of a control module as this desk does. And when I say cheaper, I don't mean the less expensive models on Autonomous's website. I'm talking about kind of like the generic brands that you can buy from Amazon or other stores. So definitely super awesome, and I really like that. The next thing, and I don't think people probably think about this, is the adjustability. So these desks, I don't quite remember their distance that they can, adjust to. I'll post it on the screen right now. But basically this bar right here slides into this part of, I don't know, the cross member that supports the middle of your desk. And so you just have to back out these bolts and it adjusts. So with this DIY setup that I have, no matter what size top you have, it'll work perfect in your space. If you buy a pre-sized desk from Autonomous, there's pros and cons, but you're gonna have to design your setup to basically fit in whatever space is in your home. But if you buy some sort of top from IKEA or you build your own or whatever you decide to do, you can adjust this to the exact size that you want within the space. So I just think that's a really nice feature that maybe people don't kind of think about. I think most people have the room to accommodate a standard size desk. But if you want to put in something custom, super easy to adjust, and that's a really nice feature. Now, to provide a little contrast, I want to talk about the legs and really just, the desk in general. But the paint on this is really high quality. So I've, over the past couple months, spray painted a couple pieces of steel and just kind of been toying around with like the powder coating that's come on some of the stuff for my 4Runner. And now, like, looking back, like, this powder coat job on this desk is really nice. Like, the paint is kind of this matte finish, which I really like, but it's not like super glossy where it shows scratches, and it's also not super matte to where, like, I don't know, it would just be cloudy and not as aesthetically pleasing. So this like semi-gloss sort of coating is great. I haven't noticed like scratching or anything. Whenever I wipe it off with dust, it all comes clean. So super awesome paint job, and that's something that I think might be also looked past on like a cheaper desk, is just kind of the fit and finish. And this has a really nice finish and I really like it. So the next thing I want to show is just, if you listen, that's like roughly the sound of what the desk sounds like when it's moving. It's got this slight whine to it. but it really doesn't bother me. I mean, you only hear it when it goes up and down, so that's maybe something that you're wondering, like over time, will it sound different or does it get squeaky or something? And like, no, it doesn't. Also, if you notice when the desk is like down, I mean, I am really shaking it. Typing, you know, tapping on the desk, it really doesn't do much. And even I would say my monitor mount makes my monitor like wobble more because it's a wide screen monitor. So I really think that this desk is super stable down. And even when we move it up, like you'll notice that it's just really not that shaky. If we move, let's say that I have to write something on my iPad, and like a lot of people probably have this scenario where they write on their desk, it really doesn't like make the desk shake much. I mean, I don't know what scenarios where you're really gonna make the desk shake a lot. Like for standard use, really the desk is super stable. If I'm standing here and typing, super stable. So I think that this is a really high quality desk for what you pay. Also, like 350 pound weight capacity, hardly struggles even to lift me. So no matter what you're gonna put on this desk, it's gonna work on here perfectly fine. Like, I would not worry. So, I don't know, I don't really have anything bad to say about this desk. Reliability wise, it's been absolutely fantastic. There's really nothing I would change about this setup. These IKEA countertops pair perfectly with this desk. Like if you're trying to find a good starting setup, I mean, you can buy cheaper versions than this walnut version that sell for like, I think 50 to 80 bucks. And then this standing desk legs go on sale for like 250, sometimes 300, like all the time. So if you're trying to get into a standing desk that's really high quality, that in my opinion is higher quality than even the like standard smart desk from Autonomous, I would go with buying an IKEA top and then getting these legs. I think this is a little thicker than the smart desk top and therefore might provide a little more durability, but I haven't compared it, so I really can't say. But on a hunch, I would presume that's the case, and this is cheaper. I mean, if you wanted, you could buy this like countertop, not this particular walnut one, but a cheaper one from IKEA. You could buy the legs, and then you could even buy some like Alex drawers like I have over here from IKEA for around the same price as the smart desk. So it's something to think about, and I really like this setup. I just wanted to do sort of a quick just explanation of why I really like this desk, why I still use it, why I spend about 10 hours a day on this desk, doing school and homework and work. So I've found no complaints, and it's like 7 or 8 months into ownership, and everything still works flawlessly. And yeah, I don't know if you have any other questions about reliability or what might be working well or not well, feel free to comment them down below. So thanks for watching. I hope you thought this video was helpful. I just wanted to throw a quick video out there to talk about things that I liked and disliked about the desk and how reliable it was. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.